Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 13. This is really the last introduction that I'm going to do because at this point you need to do your final paper, your final presentation, and your final journal, which is really about giving feedback on your experience and on the class. So at this point you should be wrapping up a good first draft of your paper, setting up a time to meet with me, and I'll send out another Google Doc. Starting to think about providing a draft of your presentation. Remember, you'll all present your final project. I guess at this point, everybody else who's not presenting at Academic Excellence Day will be doing a recorded presentation that we will post on our public viewing website. Okay, so this will be a way to advertise what we do at the Citadel and let future students know about the kind of research that can be done. Go ahead and submit a full draft of your paper and a draft of your presentation. I'll give you feedback on both. And again, I'll try to do an individual meeting with you to see how I can support your efforts. So let me know if you have any questions. Hang in there. Finish strong.